Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 16 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and now all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter delete browsing data. Here we've got some basic options, so we can remove our browsing history, tabs and cookies, cache and other saved data. You can change the time range here from last 15 minutes to, for example, all time. However, if you feel that you'd like to remove some advanced browsing history, just tap on more options. And here we will have advanced options like saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. Here we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 24 hours or all time. It's up to you. And then tap on delete data. Simply tap on delete. And as you can see, we just got back here. We can also enter the history to check. So let's tap on the three dots icon and tap on the history. And as you can see, the history is empty, which means that we just successfully removed actually everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.